So how are you guys? So let's start our video. But in this video today I'm going to show that how to check negative pixel in your shot using expression node. Okay, so in this video basically we just type one expression to check negative pixel without any third party gizmo. So let's start our video, and before starting this video, as I said to everyone, Jai Sri Ram, Jai MERA Baba Bajrangbali. So let's start our video. So see guys, I have this video. Okay, so basically this is not a key purpose or like something like key, but I just need to show you some scan. Okay, and this is not exactly mandatory for scan only. You guys can check in CG also. I mean, wherever the negative pixel come or wherever you guys like to check negative pixel like this. So basically, what is a method to check negative pixel without any third party node? Okay, just type your expression and take this node. Okay, after this just connect with your scan and just give this value. I mean, you have to put a value. Okay, so what will be the value? So basically, first of all, you guys can see there is all channel. Okay, so in the first red channel I need to put like the expression like this, like r. Okay, just keep greater than. Okay, then type 0 and then type question mark. Now type 1000 is to like dot dot r. No, sorry, just give this 0. Okay, now if I just view this, now it will become like this. Now let me do one thing, let me just refine one. I just give this less than sign. Now see, whenever just I give this less than sign like this, it's come, right? So basically whatever the expression is, r, just give the less than sign, 0 question mark, 1000 is to 0. Now same goes for green channel, right? Like this, copy this, and now just go to this and just give this r, just change the value, right? I mean, change the just number, I mean just that key, that gray, green, that, like this wise. Now change this to blue. Now see, you guys can see there is some. Now just give this for a also. It's not mandatory to check a, but I prefer to give. Okay, now whenever I have this, just increase your gain or gamma. See, you guys can see some values, right? Some red, green, blue values. So whatever the method is, so this is a method actually that you guys can check. So this is all the negative pixel or any type of NAND values, right? When is negative pixel. So especially what I will do, I will take a blend node. Okay, and just I will do little bit up, and see, the more I am increasing, the more negative pixel is coming. And after this I will take a grade and little bit just increase your or decrease your white point. See, all this negative pixel is coming, right? See, you can increase little bit gain also, see, or increase little bit. So this is a way to check your negative pixel. So this is all our negative pixel on like kind of exponential values, not a kind of exponential values, it's kind of negative pixel. Now for these you guys can check. So okay, so I'll try, I will just give you a preferable thing. So an extra thing I am like to show you. So if you guys like to check all this negative pixel or like to check all this thing, so you can create this expression or you can create this process. For this you guys can do, or the best process will be create a group. Just control G, create a group. Okay, so whenever just connect in your shot, it will create a group. Now if you guys just for example just rename like check negative pixel, like just give this neg. Okay, and after this if I just go to this here and just go to create, and I will give the name called leg and select a node and create. After this if I just go, like I save in my just toolbar. Now I'll delete this and let me try neg. This is my tool set. Okay, just come here and just connect this and view this. So see, I have saved my own gizmo, right? Check name, right? So this is another thing that which is not included in this video, but I need to show you guys, so check it. Okay, and not only this video, you guys can, right? So I have saved for this node, right? Yes, like one thing just I need to tell you, I hope if you off Nuke and reopen your Nuke or restart your Nuke or relaunch your Nuke, just try this node. If it's work, then it's fine. I hope it will work, because in this process, what the process I've done, I just save in my toolkit, right? So it will be there in Nuke. But the thing is that you have to check once that it. I hope it will be work, because I just take a node and just do. I hope it will work. Actually, it's have to work. Okay, but if something problem arises, then just fix it. Okay. Now I have this negative pixel. Now what I'll do, like to remove, I already show you how to remove negative pixel. Like if I just take a clamp node here, okay, and just connect it here, then see all the negative pixel gone. Okay, but remember one thing, this is just like to check our negative pixel only, not to remove or anything, just need to check negative pixel like this. After clamping, I know there is no my negative pixel, but if I view to my clamping, and if I just down this gain and just on off, see my luminance is missing. So I will increase this luminance to 6. After this I just on off this clamp node. After this also I check with negative, see there is no negative, because as I know I already increase this maximum value, still I have just reback my luminance. Okay, I can record my luminance, but the thing is some point are missing. See this highlight, if I just on off this, see this is the highlight goes right. So let me increase to 8. So let me check negative pixel now. So let me now just increase this gain and number. Still there is no negative pixel. I can, so see the thing is, till the negative pixel not coming in, try to increase the value. Whenever negative pixel you guys understand, okay there is negative pixel is coming, then just stop the value. And this is the only one method, not only a whole method of fixing negative pixel. This is one of the method. Okay, and it's a risky method. Okay, in previous some of the video I also tell you that using clamp is a risky method, because some luminance would be missing or there is a problem with luminance. So there is a separate node or gizmo to negative pixel, for negative pixel remove. Okay, as I told in the key video also, there is some gizmo, you guys can use that gizmo to just remove negative pixel. Okay, but using these also you guys can fix negative pixel, but you have to play with this minimum and maximum value. So let me increase this value little bit till I increase 18, and I got no negative pixel till now also, see, but my luminance is fine for now. So if I just do this and if I just drop it, so, and also it depends on shot by shot. See now my almost all the luminance is fine. See, obviously it will be fine, because obviously the thing is I have increased to 20. Obviously it's matter that my luminance will be recovered, my luminance is recovered. So after this, when I view this, still there is no negative pixel, because uh, it depends on shot to shot, because in this shot there is not much, there is negative pixel too much, but that depends on some value or some pixel, some little bit pixel is there or pixels are there that which causing negative pixel. But when I'm using clamp with this high value, because 20 in maximum value is too much. Okay, whoever in production, they know using 20 in maximum value is too much, but my motto is to show the negative pixel checking, how to check the negative pixel, not to fix negative pixel. But yes, you guys can use clamp node to just fix negative pixel, but for now I am using 20. I give this value, I am giving this value 20, which is too much. Using that also my negative pixel is not coming and it is working fine. So I can use, for this shot I can use this clamp node. Okay, that's the thing. So just try this. Okay, just try this negative pixel expression. Okay, and try to create a gizmo and just try to save your toolkit. So whenever just you on new you guys can use this negative pixel checker. Okay, this is one way to check your negative pixel, and this is one of the way to remove negative pixel. So I hope you guys like this video. Okay, and if you guys find this video useful, just subscribe to my YouTube channel and please share this video with others. And obviously try this in production houses. Okay, if you don't have that node or just something node like to check your just negative pixel or something like that, just type this expression. I know it might be you have to just remain this I mean just obviously you have to keep this in your memory. So just try and practice this expression little bit. I hope you guys just crack the expression or you guys can use this expression. So before ending this video, as I said to everyone, Jai Siya Ram, Jai Mera Hanuman Ji.